Hey guys! If you've ever craved those golden, crispy French fries from your favorite restaurant, but thought, can I make them at home? Well, yes, you absolutely can. Today, I'm showing you step by step how to make perfect crispy French fries in your own kitchen. Trust me, it's easier than you think and the results totally worth it. First, let's talk potatoes. Go for starchy potatoes like russet, or even the local ones you get at the market. These will give you that crispy outside and fluffy inside. Wash and peel about 4 medium potatoes. Now cut them into even sticks, about the size of your pinky finger. Try to keep the sizes similar so they cook evenly. Here's a pro tip. Soak your cut potatoes in cold water for at least 30 minutes. This removes extra starch, making your fries even crispier. If you have time, you can even soak them for a couple of hours. Once done, drain the water and pat your potatoes dry with a clean towel. Moisture is the enemy of crispiness. Now, heat oil in a deep pan, enough so that your fries can float. Keep the flame on medium. To test if the oil's ready, drop in 1 fry. If it starts bubbling, you're good to go. Now add your fries in small batches. Don't overcrowd the pan. Fry for about 3-4 minutes, just until they start to soften but not brown. Take them out and let them drain on a paper towel. Here's the secret. We're going to fry them twice. The first fry cooks the inside, and the second will give that amazing crunch. So, after your fries have cooled for a few minutes, heat up the oil again. This time, make it a bit hotter. Add your fries in batches and fry until they turn golden brown and crispy. This should take about 2-3 minutes. Drain them again and sprinkle a little salt while they're hot. And there you have it, crispy homemade French fries. Serve them with ketchup, mayo, or even a spicy masala dip if you want to add an Indian twist. Try these out and let me know how your fries turn out in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple recipes right here. Happy cooking and enjoy your crunchy fries at home.